If you're working with timber and need clamping tools, a band clamp can be very useful. A band clamp is designed to hold together or secure multiple pieces of wood or other materials during glue-ups, allowing you to create strong and precise joints. Here are the tools and equipment you'll need for a band clamp setup. Band clamp. The central tool in this setup is the band clamp itself. It's typically a nylon or canvas strap with a ratcheting mechanism that tightens the strap securely around your workpieces. Corner blocks. Corner blocks are used to form right angles when you're clamping together pieces of wood at 90-degree angles. These blocks help keep your workpieces square and properly aligned. Tensioning mechanism. Most band clamps have a tensioning mechanism, which is either a ratchet or a handle that allows you to tighten the strap around the workpieces. Release mechanism. To loosen the clamp after your glue-up has dried, you'll need a release mechanism. This is often part of the tensioning mechanism. Screwdrivers or Allen wrenches. Depending on your specific band clamp, you may need a screwdriver or an Allen wrench to adjust or maintain the tensioning and release mechanisms.